The hot spots of this metal bed are its simple design and classical lines. It is designed to fit your bedroom and provide a fun place to sleep for both older and younger kids. Strong bedstead and manufacturing experience can avoid noise, vibration, and scratches. It accords with an ergonomic design and provides you with comfortable sleep. The bed frame is made of steel with ultimate strength and safety design, where its 9 legs contact the floor for durability and stability. Simply with a mattress, you will enjoy sweet sleep. There are 13 inches of storage space under the bed, which provides ample storage space. It is easy to move, access, and can place storage boxes, quilts, clothes, toys, and so on. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Sturdy metal frame structure. Strong bed structure, including metal slabs and 9 supporting legs. It is in line with ergonomic design. Maximum support 450 to 550 pounds. Number 2. Classical design. This metal bed is suitable for any bedroom. Classic modern design. Matte black, simple and delicate, and can go with any interior decoration, so that you can relax more comfortably. Number 3. Product size. About 78.5 inches length by 54.8 inches width. Headboard 43. There is 13 inches of storage space under the bed and can place storage boxes, quilts, clothes, toys, and so on. Number 4. Easy assembly. Packaging contains everything, and no additional tools are needed, which is easy to assembly and disassembly. Number 5. Worry-free warranty. We provide a 5-year free parts replacement warranty. Please follow the instructions to install step by step, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.